Ever wondered how those incredibly smart AI systems go from a blank slate to performing complex tasks all on their own? Let's dive into building AI agents from scratch. To begin, we need to understand the core components. Think of an AI agent as a digital mind. It needs a way to perceive its environment, process information, make decisions, and then act upon those decisions. In terms of programming, Python is king. Its vast libraries and frameworks make it the go-to language for AI development. We'll also be leveraging powerful tools like TensorFlow or PyTorch, essential for building the agent's learning capabilities. Our first step is designing the agent's perception system. This is how it sees or hears its surroundings. Imagine this as its sensors. Gathering raw data from the world, we need to define what data is relevant. Next comes the processing stage here. We'll create algorithms that analyze the incoming data. This is where the agent starts to understand patterns and extract meaning, transforming raw input into actionable insights. The heart of an AI agent is its decision-making module. This is where the agent decides what to do next based on its understanding of the environment and its predefined goals. This could be rule-based or involve more complex learning models. Finally, we'll implement the action system. This translates the agent's decisions into physical or digital actions, allowing it to interact with its environment and complete its assigned tasks autonomously. This is the point where our agent comes alive.